Introducing the HP002, the perfect hand press machine for attaching eyelets, press studs, jean buttons and rivets to your garments. The HP002 is easy to assemble, made from tough cast iron and stainless steel, making it sturdy and hard-working. After it is assembled, the hand press is ready for the attaching of the dies. Depending on what item needs to be attached will determine which die will be used. The HP002 is great for small businesses or individuals planning on doing short runs or exclusive items. Enjoy this short video of us unboxing and assembling the HP002. Contact us to find out more.